Manipulative, which is gaslighting. Manipulative. Manipulative, characterized by unscrupulous control of a situation or person. Scheming, calculating, cunning, crafty, wily, shrewd, devious, designing, conniving, Machiavellian, artful, guileful, slippery, sleek, sly, unscrupulous, disingenuous, foxy. Relating to manipulation of an object or part of the body. Manual, done with one's hands. Dexterous. Gaslighting number 2. Handle or control a tool, mechanism, etc. Typically in a skillful manner. Number 1. Alter, edit, or move text or data on a computer. Operate, handle, work, control, use, employ, utilize. Number 2. Examine or treat a part of the body by feeling or moving it with the hand. Massage, rub, knead, feel, palpate. Control or influence a person or situation cleverly, unfairly, or unscrupulously. Number 1. Alter data or present statistics so as to mislead. Alter or present so as to mislead. Data in statistics. Data through statistics. Misleading. Falsify, read, distort, alter, change, doctor, massage, juggle, tamper with, fiddle with, tinker with, interfere with, misrepresent, fudge, corrupt, hook, fiddling.